we are there in that state of emptiness. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Bring your mind on the right hand, your mind on the left hand. Lift your both the palms, place it on your eyes. Open the eyes inside the palms. Know your experiences and bring the hands down. How are you, Stephen?
I'm good, thank you. All I could say is I am calm and in absolute peace. Thank you.
Beautiful. How are you, David and Jerry?
I feel exactly the same. It was very, very, very deep, and I can't think of any thoughts even flying by. It was just very deep. Thank you.
Very beautiful. How are you, Jerry?
Sir, I'm good. Namaste. Yeah, just peaceful. I love the message that we bring, that our peace and our love and our wisdom in everything we do. And if we do that, I mean, that's what we are. And if we see that, I guess, in everyone else too, even those that maybe don't seem so peaceful, they are peace and love and wisdom too.
You see, that is beautiful interpretation of the masses of the Eastern wisdom. When we say that the peace it's a permanent peace, it is a permanent happiness. It means where it is available, everywhere. When it is available, all moment. With whom it is available, with everyone. So when I don't live into that state of awareness and daydreaming, when I will get permanent peace, you will never get it. That has to be very clear. But if I don't change myself, nothing is going to happen. I expect everyone should change. Then only I will change. So we have started these lessons. Sometime when you get a message of Google Hangout, calendar messages, I simply change the title. So that title means that now we are starting a different session, a reflection, both on Saturdays and Mondays and Thursdays. So how are you, Sam?
Good. My body was a little bit heavier today. Then the newness was interesting, but overall feeling peaceful.
Beautiful. Beautiful. How are you, Samir?
Sir, no thoughts at all. Very peaceful, total darkness, stillness in the body. Means total state is changed
Very
before
good.
and after.
Good. Good. How are you, Brandy?
Morning. Thank you. I'm good. I noticed with the hammering of the mantra that it was kind of a clearing for me when we did it. In the head, it was really clear, but then when we went into the heart space and the stomach, I had felt like I couldn't breathe, and then I felt nauseous. So I didn't realize that I had some stuff, or I don't know. But it was, I needed that. Thank you.
Yeah, it is caused by the mind. When you feel a choking feeling, because we keep the breath normal, we are not holding the breath, and sometimes this mind that keeps start working on us causes these challenges. If we keep doing it, we get rid of that. How are you, Anesthesia?
Thank you very much. I'm okay. I felt deep and darkness, and I also had a lot of thoughts and images, but they were on the surface, and I was much more deeper. So I'm very peaceful.
Very peaceful, wonderful, beautiful. How are you, Vaibhav?
So I'm good. It was deep, peaceful, clear.
Clear, beautiful. How are you, Rakesh?
Thank you, sir. Sir, during the mantra recitation, only two things left. The mantra and the breathing. Nothing else was there.
Good.
There was no body, nothing else. During the triangle part, it was deep and very peaceful.
Very beautiful. Beautiful. How are you, Lalit?
Yes, sir. It was absorbing, and right now I feel empty in the mind.
Yes, feel that sense of emptiness all the time. Beautiful. How are you, Ashok?
Namaste, sir.
Namaste, sir.
It is peace and calm.
I could see the smile. I can make out. I can make out. Yeah.
Thank you.
So just contemplate and reflect and challenge your anxiety, your duality, your delusion, your conflict 24/7 internally. Do not challenge a person the mind claims caused you the anxiety. That is very important. Otherwise, loss of memory, loss of intelligence. That is all for today. Thank you very much. We'll meet again.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Sir, namaste.
Thank you. Namaste.
Thank you.